Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the issue, which is while you try to on your Dell laptop and you are getting the error, which is now the laptop is starting up. You can see the error, which is no bootable devices found. Press F1 key to retry boot. Press F2 key for setup utility. Press F5 key to run onboard diagnostics. So let me show you how to fix this issue. For that, just turn off your laptop and again press power button to turn on and click on F12 button on keyboard. Now the laptop is starting up, and here you have to choose change boot mode settings, and here just select UEFI boot mode, select yes, click on apply the changes. Now the laptop is restarting, and you can see that error still there, so that means that not helped. So again turn off the laptop and again turn on, and now press F2 button on the keyboard, and it will open BIOS settings, and here just choose boot sequence, and if it is enabled UEFI, then click on legacy, and select hard disk as first bootable device. Okay, after that click on apply and click on exit. Now the laptop is restarting. Yeah, you can see now the Windows is loading. Windows 10 is installed on this laptop, and you can see the login screen appeared. That's it.